Hello there, welcome back. Today I am going to draw Garfield. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. First, let's start drawing with his nose and mouth. Then draw a line in the middle of his nose and let's start drawing the eyes. Now let's draw the eyeballs. After completing the eyes, let's draw the face. If you see the face, the shape is not so perfect. So I will erase it and draw it again. After completing the face, now let's draw the ears. Now I am going to draw the whiskers. Let's draw 3 whiskers on both sides of the face. And then let's draw the stripes. Now let's draw the remaining part of the body. First let's draw the hands and the stomach and then the feet. Now let's draw the tail and let's draw some stripes. So after completing the drawing, use any black pen or a black sketch to draw the outline. Now let's erase the pencil traces and start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.